Yes, I think the expectation was considerably met compared to the previous procedure I had.
Today we're going to present Eric. He's 60 years old, and 7 months ago he had a hair transplant with us. These are the pre-op pictures. You can see that he had a Norwood 5 pattern and had lost most of the hair in the interior part of the scalp, which will be the focus of this video. This is Eric now, 7 months later, and I will present the hairline to you. You can see it's very natural. This is only at 7 months, so there's still a lot of time for hair to grow in, but this is extremely high density for 7 months. Eric, can you turn to your left, please? So you can see here, look forward, please, straight, chin down a bit, please, and to your right, please, and chin down, please. I'd like to just, and you can see here, this is the, all of this is transplanted hair, which is quite incredible. Turn around, please, and right round. This is the donor area, and you can see that it's extremely good uniform hair growth. And chin up, please. And as far as the Norwood 5 pattern, he has a very small crown left, but the rest of it has grown in extremely well, and he was transplanted in the first anterior half of the scalp. Could you turn around, please? So what do you think of your transplant, Eric?
Quite pleased.
Go ahead, please. Yeah. Can you speak up a bit?
Yes, I think the expectation was considerably met compared to the previous procedure I had.
And this was elsewhere, right? You had a strip transplant?
Yes, this was many years ago at another location.
Go ahead, please. And in terms of, have people commented, or have you had feedback? How about your self-confidence?
Well, I think most importantly, no one is aware that I've had the transplant because I changed the look entirely. And the comments have been exceedingly positive.
Are you glad you had a hair transplant done at our clinic?
Yes, and would highly recommend Dr. Gupta and his team. They were terrific from the get-go. Very caring, a combination of that with the professional ability of Dr. Gupta and his staff. I would highly recommend that a transplant be performed in this facility here at Centenary in Scarborough.